up? This is Esco the Shaka live from Jamaica representing for Pretty Girl Stamp. You know how I go on. Blood out the Esco.
Blood clot have a major. Anybody me fuck? Me know who me fuck. What happened to that if the girl there with her man and the girl married to her husband and live with her husband? You understand? So don't do that if the little girl step out and get her pussy suck. Or her pussy fuck. Her husband for left her for that. For uno take him, eh? For uno take him, and uno nobody, uno can't keep out, uno can't keep clean pussy, uno mouth done, on the bottle all done, on the pussy all done, uno can't always come cussing, cause hear what happen, none of uno. Me I tell her, say, none of uno can't manage me, but me tell myself, say, yeah, I'm done with the IG cussing, yeah, all who feel froggy come blood clot jump, you understand? When you're good, upper. G.I. can, if you're going at the pussy tonight, it's going to feel like it never did suck and it never did fuck. Bear in mind, you don't know who the people them attack, say I protect, but I just not care. Me I defend good pussy. Right? Good pussy me I defend. Girl with good pussy me I defend. Well, whoa, somebody said for talk about myself. Pretty. Me I talk about girl with good pussy. You understand? No girl. The girl husband have to stand up for you. Me believe in that when you're good like that, your man for stand up for you. You understand? Them just want, Mama tell you something, sweetheart. Listen to this. Them just like to tear down people, the people in America, Them tear down people, for clothes and boot and so you can look good. Now big up yourself, Paul, enough blessing. Mama tell you all the people them stay out there. Them is like this, You see if them hear something about you right now, girl, them don't know you from a hole in a wall. Them just started to class you because you look good. And them started to show you, hey, me get a beat upon blood clot. Wait name Pink Wall. That's the woman or the man who own Pink Wall. I have to turn to them and say, all right now, we can't come off for that now. Yeah? Let me tell you again how them beat me again. Me say me used to keep some lovely blood clot party beer as a deer come out in your body ride and ting. And when me tell you say I be a man then I'm a party, be a man full up my blood clot party. And them call police, them call thief, them call every blood clot thing, them call ambulance, them call fire truck, them call all kind of blood clot thing. And guess what happened? You see, since me come out of party life, all on there. Big up myself, my friend called in TG, all on there. You understand? You see, from come out of party life, sweetheart, and me say, you know what, I'm going to support people who real. You understand? Me say, it's a different kind of life me live. When me file my tax, me get the money we party no make at the door. You understand? When me go to work, by the month end, I have in my account, say my bank, by the time the month, because everybody spend money on themselves. Big up yourself straight, yeah. By the month end, I can see in my account, or when I work, I'm not this way, I work and this way I save. I can see at least a $5,000 every blood clot month. When I save and I work. You understand? Ouch. Yeah, I can show at least a $5,000. If I want my titty pull up, I can draw out my money and pull up my titty because I have good credit and good credit card. You understand? But these people, I'm going to tell you something, man. Oh, them stay, man. The real talk, me I tell you. Hello, you come out from me, so I can't defend Stacey any blood clot time. I want you come ask me for really I defend blood clot Stacey. Oh, you mean I owe you? I owe you. You understand? I tell you, Sophia is a little girl where they run me. I'm in a business with Stacey and Sophia. So you don't come mixing up. Come off from a blood class. So I don't think you want to be part here. Come off. Come off for this. Don't come on this come call about no Stacey and a blood clots of fire count and now make me cuss Sophia. In my inbox from 12 o'clock, I eat my lunch. I say bing. Wanna tell me oh Sophia class. Wanna leave me alone. I not go fuck with nobody when I fuck with me. People always on my business so me talking about. Yeah, make Stacey chat me like dog. You come after. You not have nothing to do. Hey, wanna stupid here? When you hear people and them family not have nothing and them just vex over, maybe you say something at the family where me not like. You understand what you shouldn't did say. And me just say, you know what? Me go own my corner because me don't want me to go down there. Uno, Lord, Don eat Stacy. Stacy eat Don. Yeah, Don eat Stacy. You understand? Stacy eat Don. Uno leave people business alone. Uno leave people business alone. Me now look on them, none of them in America can make me class, none of my family, them. Nobody can make me class my family per IG. Because when my mother put me round table, it was my brother, me, my big sister, and Stacy blood clot mother, 4 chair on the blood clot table. And the whole, and the 4 of us sit down round it. You understand? And we get with dinner. So here what happen? Uno can't make me class. Yeah, Peppers. Uno can't make me class nobody in my family. I swear when we go to bed at night time, my mother say you first say your prayer. We line up behind one another, drink of Jesus, meek and mild, look upon a little child. Uno go. Uno could have talked to no belly drop out. Uno can't make me class my family them. So uno no come to me with no Stacy argument. Me no want to hear it. You understand? Me no care what Stacy and Sophia have. Me and Sophia not have nothing. You understand? So if you don't go brainwash Sophia and Sophia did not cuss me, me never not cuss her because me no care. Back to this now. Yes, my love Dan talk the good things them. Yeah. Whoa. Yes, my love. Yes, my daughter, come in. Yes, my daughter.
Oh, wait, come and write a salute from above.
Wagwan, my daughter, wagwan.
I mix up them one come with them.
They
Make them with
can't
them
mix
blood
me.
clots and
I
way.
say in my inbox, them tell me say Nina class me. Me and Nina good as grow together, girl from Southside Spoilers, Tel Aviv. You understand?
I mix
You
up them lovers so
understand?
the dirty people them stay. Don't pay them no
You will
mind.
come for my life, I come talk about dirty Mitzi cleaner than you. Mitzi cleaner than you, I'm not ask Christ. Mitzi is a citizen in America and she can't go a gynecologist, go fix your mouth or your pussy. You
Yeah.
understand? You are
Most of
Mitzi.
them are fake page, you know.
Yeah, them can't come real, you know. Them can't come
Them
real. And
not come
hey,
real.
hey, me say one woman where head sick, you know. Me too, just lift them up and fling them down. Me post their fake page, stop her. Them I come over here, do war with Mitsu, go war with Mitsu, because Mitsu just lift it up and fling it down. Because so Mitsu tall and big, shouldn't afraid
Must
that
say,
no.
don't pay them no mind. I mix up them one get in a talk
Them,
boy where you come for talk about my love.
yes, my love.
Them ever
That's
I get
about,
apple at one time. Them ever I get a girl
hey,
at one time and all one time them get a girl and the girl man nah leave her.
nah, Tino,
And the
this
girl
Tino.
belly now and pack so the boy always like want to stand at
Hello.
her side.
Me not care where Stacy and Apple have. Yes, Apple not have nothing. Me don't know
Yeah.
Apple like that. My uncle say Apple like about 3 times. But me I tell you, say the girl pussy good. And the
Yeah.
boy nah leave the girl a blood clot. So guess what happened? Uno go out the uno bed and have sleepless nights over Apple.
Sleepless nights. Yeah.
Apple. Upper pussy come for dish if you're married and you feel like dish it out in a flat plate, dish it out, and when they eat out and it don't eat out, you wash the blood clot plate and carry it back inside. And the one
But
leave it,
Dan,
yeah.
I look good girl fuck enough and apple look good so she
Yeah,
entitled for fuck
yeah.
enough.
The
A
girl
pretty
can't fuck
girl.
if she
A
want.
pretty
Oh,
girl
no,
fuck
just
all
step
leave.
on married people also. Oh, no, just step on. I see them dep on my old, them dep on my old, them dep on my old. Me not tell a lie, that's pink wall percent. No, man, don't have to come off
Them
on that.
can't depend you.
Yeah.
Bad so bad. Them can't depend you because I don't if you take 5 man, my love. You're good as
No,
a
you know,
yard
hear
and
me
good as
tell
a
us say,
broad.
you know, hear me tell us say them can't carry 2 man combined for me in America, America 20 odd years now. Them can't say 2 boy we fuck down, you mad me, I can't got blood clot coat. And carry all the boy, them got blood clot court too. Me, fully good like blood clot that it you
All
like.
of me will take 80 man already.
Yeah. And them 8 are them 99. Them 99.
A week.
But no, me
A
they
week.
make me lose focus, my love. Me just hear them a go on for the little girl upper saw, you understand? And me just
Most
know
of
so them for just come on for the girl because I'm
most of them baby know. But most of them baby know.
yes, bad man crush them. You
Yeah.
understand? I saw them stay and them why I'm coming. Hey, such as
When
people
the
coming on.
when them the class are certain things, them fake, them talk all kind of things. But
Fake
bitch,
fit good body.
I should still
Fake
have
fit good
because
body.
when I still have to watch her, when I still have to call her name,
Yeah,
when I
them
still
still
have to
have to
chat
come out
her.
and watch her.
Yeah. I all this pretty thick.
Pretty thick. Let me tell you something. You see through your page is a fall page. You understand? Me not eat when
One
me have.
black,
You understand?
black and delete.
Yeah, let me tell you something. Me don't know what happened about me and J Icon. We're from Brooklyn back them time there. And I used to
Yeah.
support my party when time my party I go on. And me I go a J Icon party from a 5 people in there. Me and
Hello?
collector, yeah? Yeah?
Them
Yeah,
a
man,
demon.
all these people stay so. Wanna for stop Fred from people clitoris, man.
Them a demon. I said them stay.
Wanna for stop it. Wanna me I go on a blood clot number. Wanna call
Hello?
me for stop. Yeah, yeah, hear me, Tina?
We're done. Them and I hear done.
Yeah, me I hear you. You hear me? Tina, come off and come back. Come back, Tina. Someone wanna want call one blood clot 800. You understand, sugar daddy? Una me a go na number call so you can get a man for no blood clot. Say, Tina, come back. They want you back. Yeah, Tina, for the everywhere, cause my daughter. Yeah, Tina, come back. Yeah. Una need for call a number ya 1-800 blood clot sugar daddy. So some una can get some money and get something for the pussy. Wanna love talk about woman with the ring pan finger. So I want to say woman with the ring. It's all a una black and white people. No nasty if I hear no, me never want me no want so no. No no like me and still a come round me. You understand? Big up yourself, Peppers. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, my love, as my student son. As my student son on a black and white picture, una come off of this blood clot. Yeah, if una companies come real show a blood clot, that's when my student can thump on the face in a party. Blood clot, yeah? Yeah, Tina coming in back.
I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. What's
Yeah,
happening a while ago? How it go?
them two get black, Tina. Tina, me say
What
them
them
can
say?
Me say them can worry over blood clot people with the ring for finger pussy say. Yeah, them
Them,
need a number you for call. Them for call 1-800 sugar daddy. See somebody
yeah.
for some sugar. Hey, foreigner one wicked place. You know, don't listen to this, Morgan. Hear this with me. I tell you. Hey, America one wicked place. You know, Peppers. Some girl not get no money for them pussy, you know.
I wouldn't back no gun Panama and finna ring.
Guys, some girl just make man take them, come use them tongue, come take it turban. Whenever
I
you
wouldn't back no gun Panama boy finna
yeah,
ring.
them just make boy just take them and just fuck them so and just deep throat them so and tickle and them say them have one cause something at the back of the throat in them throat with them like food. Tickle pan. Uno for stop it. Oh
Man
man,
take them
forget
as option.
now.
Man
Yes,
take them as
them
option.
sugar daddy them for call and get some man for give them money, man. Wanna for stop this thing, man. Wanna for stop this thing, I know. Me wanna think some gone, me not gone nowhere. Anytime I see a
No.
top, I'm want jump on it. Me I go jump on it. Yeah.
Dive pan that.
Lord, the little girl and her husband, them have children together, them have family people. One to that is she broke a little fuck and her husband defend her.
But
And
one for
right
one the
now,
create
she
the
want to
arm.
friend. And right
One for
now,
one for one the create the arm because a man in name and him fuck so nothing wrong. You should pop a fuck every now and then.
that's why me love him. But you know,
Spice up the
hey,
relationship.
Icon, if nobody not tell you, I have mad love for you, boy. I wish you were my son. I wish you was my son.
Turkey, bye. Bye, turkey, bye.
Yeah. Some of them all just
Other
miserable.
man I keep on a call my fucking phone. I would that man stop call my phone.
I said, Tino, in America, I'm sorry for some blood clot. Yeah,
Hello?
hey, girl. I'm sorry for not getting nothing for the pussy, you know. Blood clot and pussy.
Mother.
And the wickedest thing, Tino. Tell you the
I
wickedest
don't
thing.
know why that man I keep on a call my blood clot phone. I make my phone now.
This thing,
I'm
I don't pay the
sure.
man of mine. Big up yourself, Mr. Frenton. You know the wickedest thing right now, Tino?
Yes, man, I've called her what number, the 1-800
Good
number, my
blood
love.
clot.
Sugar daddy over there.
You see girl will look like you all you, Tino. I take with some of them blood clot, man.
Me forgot
I
jump on and
have
jump
some
off back.
blood clot, boy, too, you know. Come you have to lick it from bottom, man, when you lick it. Them not get nothing for them bottom. They make dog lick out them bottom and them can't get nothing for them bottom. You understand? Some girl know me, I tell you the truth, me I tell you. Some girl not get nothing for them all a blood clot, but you know what them get for them all? Wally per man can call them name. How not go manage? Wally per discharge now, no holy later turn home cancer, you know. Jesus Christ, you not get nothing for no all. Me I tell you, them just, hey, them just want to hear about a nice girl all. I pray you're nice in a blood clot. All if them say you're ugly and nice and your man eyesight can't stay with you and him not gone away. You're nice in a blood clot. All me sweet in a blood clot. Them say me tie my husband. Blood clot, you like me? Tie husband? I don't want so my husband love me and a blood clot door me. I still have two husbands. Tina, where you there? Me. So have two husbands. Upper. When girl man a look you, I believe that. You have to take money from them, you know. Girl, me don't know where you for the boyfriend, you know. Me don't know who are you are who. You are fight with upper. I mean, not care about your upper fighting. Cause me don't know upper. Me don't want a friend from upper. You understand? Me just come out and me attack all the people them dep on the girl upper. Yes, Nina. Call me to rot it. My friend call me. Call me. Inbox me. Go up my inbox me. I'm sending you my number. Listen to this. If I saw my Nina, you this. If I you, call me. Call me. I say, Nina, call me for you. Me no call your name a while ago. Somebody come and say Nina soon beat me. You understand? From where they them in my inbox and me I send ACS by you. Me tell them say them can't make me cuss you, Nina. So hear what happened now. Hear what happened. They say we cut the live, yeah, my sister. Them can't, you just call me. Them can't make me and you have nothing. You understand? I'm going to send you all of the text them where them send me to with your name in it. You understand? So I can leave Nina now. Yep. Girl, you will take your man. Me no know you. Me no have nothing against you. So don't make them come tell you say, me da class you. My uncle talk for married woman pussy behalf. Cause me is a married woman. And I saw them live for my pussy too. Them give me all man when me never take it. Them tell you, so them give me man when me never take it. Cause in America, 2 man can't find for me. 2 man can't find for me in America. I mean the America 20 odd years now. I mean I'm real blood clot wife. Hello, listen, look at us, sweetheart. You must be nice and good looking to me. I know you are if you're ugly now. Leave the girl alone. Everybody, all dog have nature. So what happened to that if she feel like eat a Jew plum? Yeah, and put the mango down for later. What happened to that? What? All right, lovely. Talk to me now. What should disgusting with? Join me live and talk to me. What should disgusting with? Somebody join me live and talk to me. What should disgusting with? Jesus Christ. Oh, them girls go on like so them no fuck so. You ask me if me, oh, it look like this girl ate apple. Me no know apple like that. What happened? Who this a come from my life now? You me never see you yet, so me want to know where you are come from. Let me tell you, let me see how you come. Can one delete me, I delete if you come with fuckery. Me I wait for you, yeah? Yes, ma'am. Hello? Oh, oh. Yeah, you wanna join somebody. What apple disgusting with now? You know, have to show your face. Big up yourself, Joe. Join the live and talk. What part of the situation is disgusting? Give me a look of fuck is disgusting. Eh? If a boy see and tell you something sweet, and he's a blood clot married woman, and you like it, and you give him a sucker for your pussy, and you give him a one fuck, which part of it disgusting now? Tell me. J.I. can, me not say apple right for the way she do, you know. You understand? But what's the problem? What she do? Join the live. Somebody join the live and talk. What apple do? What apple do we discussing? If J.I. can fuck a girl in disgusting, I don't to stop it, you know. Oh, you mean pussy must have pride? Mouth must have pride. And your mouth for have pride. And these girls coming out to talk, oh, them like to suck cocky. You understand? And them boy, the way them a suck them cocky, fuck he, she, and the old lady. When him coming at your throat, you don't know what's going down in your belly. Come on, you come off of me something. You all don't like blood clot all. Come off of this. Where? What you do? Disgusting. Me and beat a girl. We feel like fuck two man. Fuck two man and get something a big man. I'm look good in a blood clot from my blood clot age. Big up my blood clot self, yeah? Suki, you know I love you so much. What the girl do? What the girl do? Eh? Remember I know, on a mark my world. Listen, no, I did not say you suck dick in a sweetheart. I did not say that. I'm not disrespecting you. You understand? You understand? Wait the man, wait the star. We're watching it a little bit. You understand? Where the girl do what your mother no do? Which girl it come with up on the life while lick out against upper? Where their mother, like my mother, where they done gone? She have 4 children and the whole of we have the same name. Uncle me alone name change. Oh, she fuck an ex-married woman, a married woman, man. All right, let me answer this for you now, girl. You understand? Because una run past the good part of life, you know. Me married, right? And if me fuck up boy, we're married. Me no want him. Him just tell me something when me like to hear, and him married and me married, and exchange fuck is not robbery, and me give him a fuck. You understand? And me able to fuck better than all him wife blood clot fuck. You understand? And you just don't know, so you don't want him, and if you have one for money, you just use the one fuck me and just take with pay money from him. Yeah, ask me more thing. Yeah, I get to me by now, get to me growing up. So guess what happened? Me not go sugarcoat nothing. And go on like say, you understand? Me not come from ghetto. You understand? Because guess what happened? A lot of uno make this ring thing I get to uno too much. And get this thing twisted. Some of uno there with some man for some long time. You understand? And the man treat uno like dog. You understand? And guess what? Uno want so no have a man. And the whole and pan the man I work and don't even go no money. Tell the truth. Me sound like me easy. What easy mean? Oh, too sweet word turn me on. Listen to me, sweetheart. Words don't turn me on, you know. Let me tell you what turn me blood clot on. Girl, I'm not a customer, just chip a one bad word. Money make my nature rise now, blood clot. Money. Me, I want big woman and me like to do body. Why you Kimmy, you go suck a duck. Yeah, go suck a duck, Kimmy. Me not think you necessary right, yeah, so. You understand? When me a talk about say, girl, if me did easy, me couldn't walk naked pan road. So you know some walk naked in a dance hall? You know when me there at Jamaica, me walk naked, two body draw out a door, and 5 man a blood clot Jamaica can't find for me and say them fuck me. You understand? What you mean? Listen, you must come to reality in a life, you know. That's why I don't have no friend, you know, come like tell people the truth. Girl, future wife, you look like you don't have no husband. Let me tell you something. How many children you have? Be honest. You want to tell me, say, if a girl, man, if my husband I look you house, nah, you're not, now my husband I give you, don't go fucking try my husband. Me reach the blood clot stage, let me tell you something. I respect my blood clot, say to me thing. From the man who carry the girl in front of you, come fuck her, make the man fuck the girl. You understand? Or that me say. My born and going to get out. I would not go on like a sugarcoat blood clot thing. And some of them upon this life, they talk about apple have 5 children for 5 different blood clot, man. Some of them fuck me so several, no fuck me so many, and don't remember some of the man they me fuck. Now, I won't go on with. Lord, the blood clot, girl, and go. All the who get, Lord, that girl, that lovely Tamara, you are come off. You're not ready yet. Bumbo clot, you're not ready yet, a blood clot. Listen to this, lovely Tamara. Lady Ann, big up yourself straight. Sometimes you sell your blood clot husband in your house all a fuck too. You understand, Lady Ann, come on. Come, lady, and join the blood clot live. Make a reason as to blood clot, all blood clot foot in the game, yeah. Yeah. So this girl I said that if money turn your hand, that means that the blood clot. My husband I'm coming down to the blood clot right now. They come from work tired of blood clot. I want and I fuck. I said, trouble can't fuck no, we don't come in tired, you know. Make him go blood clot beard and come with the hood big and shine and I show me to blood clot. And when me look, me say I look a money last it blood clot up. And if a $200 upon the blood clot up and be a $1 and the blood clot nickel, me know what blood clot no, me go and no say, he might pay me for the tired fuck when me go blood clot him come from work right now. Girl, don't get real. Then forget real and talk the truth. This girl now, and from me show me say me I leave the girl for my life, me should go and talk. This real girl really come on and say, woman we love man pay them for girl, come off. Come off for this.
The only thing I said that Apple should have plead the 5th. Apple should have owned up to nothing. Nothing should have won. Eh?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's the only thing me disappointed in that Apple for. Apple are my baby. Me love Apple.
Me no know why.
My baby. Me Apple mother grow up. Apple father used to produce me. Apple father big top producer. John Jolas we did. But Apple should have played the 5th right through. Play the 5th. The 5th.
I want you go inside. I want you go inside to tell our man the truth if you want to tell the truth.
Right. She put on her husband and said, listen, you do that bad, you know, baby, and you know the thing going, I just take a like, me just say a little boy, I'm a pum pum jump, I just take, you know the thing go. But yeah, she should have never won up to nothing. She should have played it for 5th right through.
Hello, let me tell you something, lady Ann. Lady Ann, let me tell you the truth. Yeah. Brew me, my baby father, my son father. A bad man, a blood clot, where they are Jamaica, shoot up and shot people and go to prison and blood clot come back. I see my husband in my blood clot house right now. When me there with room, me there with my blood clot husband too.
With a
Yeah?
bad self.
Yeah, cause everybody have them blood clot game and them blood clot here.
But
Pussy
everybody
good.
do them thing at a point. All human. The only person who
Yeah,
make mistake are God.
yeah.
A
Listen
God.
up. Listen up. Man, they put my phone just like call me, so me and them are no friend. Me say, listen up, listen to this. Big up
Yeah.
yourself, me that keep cutting them off. Listen to this.
Yeah.
When I get,
Yeah.
me say, I can go left file right now, and the boy enjoy the pussy for all empire blood clot, man. You hear me? I tell you, oh, they have no shame at all. No shame at
Yeah.
all. Them have no shame at all. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
My husband in my house. Yeah. I was my boyfriend.
Look how you been a get
I
hell
was
with
my
stuck here
boyfriend.
stuck in the garden.
God.
Eh? Look how
Yeah.
you hell with stuck here and stuck is still there
Yeah.
till it become over with now stuck is still staying at the over with.
Where am I
What am
gonna
I
go
saying?
now, lady? And you can't find no old nicer than my old right now. Somebody
Me I
here
tell
will
you.
disgust
Mm.
in a blood clot. Every minute I call me.
Everybody have bash heart. Let me tell you something. Most of the people in my bash heart because they say, you know, blah blah blah. She married and she have her husband and blah blah blah. Like we say, people do make mistake. And me can't bash her because me a woman and me do things to the only fighter for. I plead the fifth. I plead the fifth. I plead the fifth. I plead the fifth. Plead the fifth.
Well, sometimes in a lady and people take set piety, they just ball out with them.
Yeah, me understand that.
It
You
just
know me.
it just show them say your pussy good and your
Yeah, me know. Me understand.
about time.
Me understand. Say frustration makes you ball out still, but sometimes you have to plead the fifth. You have to learn to plead the fifth. And that's the only thing Mr. should do wrong is she should have plead the fifth. You know, don't own it.
When we don't talk to you,
I mean, no say, and
we
you
go
know
and
what, Dan?
team over and ask them for black.
You know what, Dan? When me think, I could go to say, fuck with me and own this, me not give a fuck. And just own it.
Yep. Yep.
Could be that too. It could be that too. Like,
This one I tell some girl that again, you know. Your pussy good no blood clot and you fuck one man for 10 years, you know. You want to exercise it and you and next boy you go ball in your hole, you know. All that too, you know, I can.
yeah. Yeah, that
You
person
want
said the girl
here.
have her on tape. That's what me I say. She should have pleaded the fifth on the tape. She should have never owned up nothing. She should have never said the man did nothing. She should have never said the man touch her and no family.
She should never say nothing about the man. That's at the park, you know, like. Not say nothing about the man, because the man not say nothing about you.
Right. Right. Plead the fifth. That's why I said she should have plead the fifth. Plead the fifth. Dan, remember when me did that go out with my beer father alive and me that my well me plead I would them tell my beer father and carry news and well patting and me plead the fifth.
You see my blood clot all gone back. Hello. It's not husband and my house all gone back for me at Jamaica say. Me I take the man. Gone back in and my blood clot you say, oh me I gonna kill you and kill myself. Whoa, the people that hate me. I'm gonna go out with piece of balling. I swear me ball and get her out of the situation. And me I'm stuck again to my Ghana some nice hotel uptown there, my love.
Right. That's what the thing
Yeah.
I don't seek, you know. I don't seek. You know?
And my husband is a musician. My husband bad no blood clot back them days there. So something boy me have to say. Them for the slow the girl.
They might say, she shouldn't do and even if the husband do things, it's that not the right for she do things.
That's enough for them business.
Yeah, everybody, that means so too much people just caught up in the girl and her husband. And
That's what me say. That's what me say, lady Ann.
Should I just love it, but one of them battle it out, the girl, Apple, and the two man them. Leave it alone. But we are Jamaica, we love people business. We just fast and we just love, and we just want everybody business.
Let me tell you something. Remember earlier than in this life where we are living now, me a big woman. We know in the run up and down play role life anymore. Let me tell you right now, lady Ann. Right now, let me tell you something. In a real life, me go make a girl ball for her blood clot husband and show them how my pussy good too.
Yeah. It's just, it just
you no need for them. You that person, you no need for them on my
how would you like this? I'll cheer for you. Yeah, man. I plan like a baby, man. I plan my baby. I'm love her. Me not care nobody.
Me no know her. Me know J Icon. Come here and me support the Brooklyn style. And before me start, I now left me a road.
Because I don't care what him gonna feel away. Cause my man, Dan. Him gonna feel away. Cause my man. That's why I said she should have.
Me, I go call J Icon little later. Me and him go reason. Me I said J Icon. You see them girl they want call up upper name. Just fuck them. Fuck them, and when you fuck them.
Hey, why you think some of them haters? So can you fuck some of them already?
You understand? And them not get dollar, and him a dash some money in a dance, and them not get nothing.
You fuck some of them already.
Girl, upper.
You fuck some of them already. That's why them haters. So them haters for everything we should do.
It's okay.
Them haters for everything we should do.
Haters for everything. Lady, I'm saying. The other night, I go a rich dance. I go Wayne Gooders dance.
I forgot to say April in the birthday.
Girl, me say the all man look good now, blood clot in the dance. All man body turn up bad now, blood clot. My drink string itch up in my butt here. You understand? Go for my boy, they'll
Danny, I'm 50. Danny, I'm 50. No, you have to stop with your body clean.
Me I turned 53 this time. It's the woman named Queenie Gangsta. Me love her in a blood clot. Big up yourself, Queenie Gangsta. The first me come tell you.
No, I'm a Queenie Gangsta no more. Queenie Juplum.
Queenie Juplum, you shut down them blood clot. Queenie Juplum, yeah. You understand? Just come out and talk the things them and make some girl go hide. Let me tell you something what go on old lady and where we not in and the people them hate me and you for that. A boy can't come take out him cocky and say my put it there.
Jealous man, that woman, we not support each other, we not motivate each other, we not give each other strength. We all made mistakes.
Big up yourself, Ashley.
Mistake. After young still, she does in her early 40s. And she does make a little one mistake.
No, that's not a young lady. And all you mean she in her early 40s and she young?
She young. We could have
what kind of young early 40s is?
She young. We could have her.
Lady Ann, come on, get really the reality now. For your past 30 years, a big woman.
Yes, she's a big woman, but for me, she young, because me could have her. That's why I say she young.
Big up yourself, Lala.
She young. Me could have her.
Somebody has said she 43.
Yes, she's around that. She's around that. Me could
have her, Lady Ann. Me couldn't have her. Come and breed very, very young.
I might. Me could have her. Dan, me could have her. Me 1 year older than Apple mother, I know. Me 1 year older than Apple mother. Me could have Apple.
You know what I like about Apple? Let me tell you what I love about the little girl. She can mug upon them no blood clot.
Why you think I kill them?
You understand? And let me tell you something again about Apple. And let me tell you something about Apple. Apple. You know why me talk up and I call your name? I'm walking already. I lie, lady. You walk up in other shoes the way you walk up in already. And guess what happened?
Yeah, she is a big woman.
Husband, they are not going away.
She's still a little girl for me. Me could have her. That's why I say she's young. Yeah, she's a big woman, but she...
I don't know. I don't have no beef with you. I talk about my friend J Icon and his wife, Apple. You understand? Somebody will come on and I say Apple and Stacey and a friend and me I defend Apple. Listen, me no walk and buy war in our body, me blood clot, by flat belly, me by and breast right now. You understand? Me now walk and buy
Some blood clot.
black belly and
Donna
breast
here,
milk.
here.
Yeah.
Here.
So come true.
They go do surgery for me and some woolly things and so and so and so. I know my friend
like
family go
yeah,
dead and
all
one
right.
really for
Like
something.
what little girl, all right. Little girl.
Single, you know, give a fuck. But it's like how you're a married woman, you don't own nothing. You play the faith.
So lady, and like what me a
Because
52
you're my
now.
baby. You know me love
So
you.
lady, and like what me down at 52 and me is a married
Yeah.
woman. A boy can't look me. Me can't feel for a boy too.
Then I don't know your nature right, Dan. I know
Yeah,
you want
that
sex.
a blood clot
No,
tell us that
nobody
nature
don't
not have
follow
age.
you.
Nature not have age, you know. Me say the other day me ear set
Yeah,
show.
I
Girl,
know.
check your mouth.
Talk.
They don't have no video.
When you get older, you want to have sex in a Dan.
Me I tell you.
Some now want to them. I know when you're young, your eye ride you. When you get old, the eye start ride you.
I will tell you what,
Dan,
lady,
your eye
and
just ride you. You're
just already for ride.
just
Me,
start
let me
ride
tell
you
you what
down.
kind. Listen to me, lady, and honestly, your Wi-Fi have been up, lady, and let me tell you no the truth where they on my live one can't hear me. Who can't hear me? Lady, and you get cut off.
No, so what call Dan?
All right, listen
Yeah.
to this, lady, and when me I say no, you can't hear me.
Yeah, me I
No,
hear you.
you're like, are you did I get messed up? Hear this,
No,
let me I
are
tell you.
you? Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
I big up yourself, Janet. Big up yourself. Hear what kind of girl me fight against with cocky living and cocky life and cheating life. Me fight against girl when I take money from man.
Man must cut them
A
there.
boy for pay for pussy. And guess what happened? Me eat the girl them. Listen. Me eat the girl them when I come out and a ball out so them suck cocky and them not have nothing.
Nasty
Them
girl
still
them.
a beg them friend a ride in a car. Your friend a still a carry your own. You dep on the government blood clot welfare. When me have to go to morning time, go work, figure your money and food, and you ball out say you suck cock. Big up yourself, Johnny.
Yeah.
And you big up yourself say you deep throat. And you big up yourself say you people man. And them things that I uno me fight against. Me no fight against a girl who suck
like
cocky and put herself together. Right you know in a real life. Walk one lady and a body. Your belly feel blood clot flat. Although my wanna get big, I'm stupid.
You know me a flat belly from man. Me mama little Chinese.
No, your belly never grow yet. As old as you is, your belly never move yet.
Never. Don't tell me grow when baby in there.
Listen to this. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Evan. Big up yourself. Listen to this.
Too bad against lady. That's our biggest problem. We're too bad mind and corrupt.
Me say, listen to this, man. Them bad man in America, them to stop watch pussy still and go exercise them.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Watch people good.
Yeah. May I tell you, Lataya straight, 96 wife here. Let me tell you what kind of girl me fight against. I can't big up yourself. Me fight against girl who love so cocky and the boy not give her nothing. And she love borrow money from her friend. Star, me love my stupid. I'm like stupid now. Yeah. I'm come here them because you are spin. I offer Wi-Fi. I want to tell you this. You fear Wi-Fi now. Evans. No. I offer Wi-Fi. I want to talk the truth. I can't up.
Because when you are bubble, me still attack.
When you are bubble, me still attack.
But we not see here, yo.
Listen to this. You understand? Star on my Wi-Fi.
Yeah, because when you attack it a muzzle, it sounds funny.
Listen to this, Lataya, when me attack. You understand? I can't talk for my behalf right now. A lady and I hear Wi-Fi. You see my daughter, them when me have, and my granddaughter turned 18. So she's so ready for boyfriend now. You understand? Her mother say no boyfriend because she have to be a nurse. You understand? Listen to this when me I tell you right you know. Me fight against girl when I get nothing from man.
Yeah.
Me fight against girl who are bad out
But
to them they
God,
man 15 years and 20 years. And the only thing them can show is picnic. Them belly big no blood clot and them back broad. And you are bad out say man they with man 15 years and 20 years. The man hates you.
Dad, what am I do? Suck for love and shake for joy.
Yeah. You remember them word the rumor that used to tell we? Lady,
Yes, fuck.
lady, all right now. Every wrong now. Listen to that party. Listen to that pint when you lick. You live with your man in the house. 20 years you live with your man, right? 15 years you live with your man. 10 years. Your belly big no blood clot hang down like when a blood clot a picnic. And your man out there look for flat belly blood clot, girl. He used to say belly blood clot big forget it cut down. Eh? He not say body too flat it for ice up. Them the man them in a rate them girl. Right now I fix by the time I go on. Fix by the blood clot time I go on. If your belly no flat like blood clot, lady, and when your body no cock up, you live with you.
This is sad.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi where you and chat talk with so.
Talk oh your Wi-Fi sound my one fully nice, my love. I can listen to this. You have some boy live with them girl, you know. And the girl belly big no blood clot. The body Joe, hey, them the boy them no rate them, you know. I told me I tell you understand. Fix up your girl in your blood clot house and then match up your blood clot girl out the road with that girl. I say, yeah, my girl look better than she. We're not talking about one man blood clot thing. I don't look good.
One man
talk
kill
about
pussy.
one man blood clot thing. I don't visit on a DMV.
Dan, one man kill nature. Cheating is nice.
When time we have blood clot, some of them
is
age.
nice.
Hello, when we have some of them blood clot age, we used to sing that song, yeah. One man keep your old lazy, 2 and 3 man keep your pussy active. After your blood clot, all if you want, but no say you get paid for it. No so me look good to that age.
We no response, girl. We no response. We do
yeah.
Yeah. Response up. Response down.
Hey, them girl don't stop blood clot, you know. We're going to the Bible now for them blood clot now, lady. Lady, hold on, they in the Bible, me I go for them blood clot now. Hold on, lady. I know the mic with the pan. This one, I know the Bible, me I go for blood clot them, because you go spit it out on them now. When Christ was on earth, you understand? Though there was a war.
Yes.
Though there was a girl with take enough man. And when the Christ said to her.
You have a lot of concubine. You did have concubine when Christ said that to the word. And him said, oh, without sin, cast the first stone. When him say, even without sin,
him no mean sin, you know. Hello. Him no mean sin, you know, lady. It means say,
me know that.
Anyone who know out just when I fuck 2 and 3 man and 4 man and 5 man, liquor blood clot, make me say, cause the whole I know fuck.
That's
right. The Bible say.
And that it mean, yes?
And the one of them did a fuck and a sell pussy. But them a kill the one woman to she married and have her blood clot husband. And them know one man will fuck her. And the same thing, you know. And them a go kill her because the man will fuck her is a name brand man.
That's why she say, give me pass. And make me take a girl, man. You know, see the girl like one like take she wicked in a bed. Give me pass.
You know what is blood clot sin? Ladian, hold on there. You like blood clot DJ too much. You know what is sin? And we bring it up our blood clot self as woman. And it is corruption. What is sin? I bet you couldn't tell me what is a sin. Lady and Wi-Fi again. Lady, they might go trace me, no, but me not care. Stop! Move your blood clot and go and cable vision me have. Wait, no man, lady, and me never grew up here about this yet, you know. Hello, wait, you know. They gonna cuss me, you know. But here what happened, me no care come down with cussing and me name them a cuss them a kick up my name and backs up my name and fling down my name. You know what is a sin? I bet you couldn't tell me what is a sin, cause we never know about it when we are grow. I bet you.
When you blaspheme against the Holy Spirit.
Shut your blood clot. When you grow, you didn't know about suck cocky when we are Jamaica. When you look at
No,
15,
never
16,
know anything about that.
that is a blood clot sin. Yeah. Who no care come cuss me as on a blood clot like. Cause me no care. That is a sin, you know why? Because it's corruption bring that your man putting penis into a woman blood clot mouth and tell her to swallow. Talk truth, lady, and them no want two old girl on the line, you know.
Mouth water can't bring pretty picnic. Mouth water can't bring pretty picnic.
Yes, that is a blood clot sin. Because guess
That
what
is the sin
happened?
of the
Me a
world.
50 blood clot. Listen to this. Me no, them can always cuss me, you know. Come me not drink body juice, you know. Here is why me I say it is a sin, lady. And when me are 15 and a fuck, me never hear about so cocky life when me there Jamaica. Yeah, when me are 20, me not hear about so cocky life. And when me in my 30s or going to my 40s, me hear some man a rape girl and make them suck them hood. We never know about suck hood when we are grow talk. When a man own a girl at Jamaica when we are grow and say them a bring her down, they make she suck him hood. And that's when me know say is a sin. Because back in a Jamaica, when me a grow, me never hear girl a suck body and I come talk about me love suck body. Me never know them things there.
True, you're talking. True. So
you understand? So me know say I the devil playground that blood clot.
True. True.
Don't when me a little girl a grow 15, 20, 25. If you tell a boy same suck pussy him lick out your blood clot and then him a idiot. That the truth.
Kick your fry yasso to down a sponge.
He kick you from yasso till tomorrow. So here what happened? Them girl there where I see her go on with the things them can't bring them to me because me live for what? Me live like how me grew up. If you tell an idiot boy same suck pussy back when me are 15, 20, 25, and when him can't fight him, wait till you now blood clot look and use a big stone bust up your face.
You know what that generation you do? And at the 70s, that at the 80s generation, you know. You know, at the 90s and the 2000s, baby, them do. You know them?
Yes. Yup. Yeah, Miss Scarlett. When sister real talk, me a talk. You understand? If a boy make a girl suck him out when you're 15, I when 16, 20, I grow up, I rape her. I rape her because we don't know nothing about suck good as Jamaican.
Never.
I not care a boy a idiot and you tell him say come suck my pussy and lick you down with that stone. If I wait till you sit down and now look. So when them a cuss and them a go cuss me, them a for understand say.
Damn, let me give you a joke. You know what one did ask me one time, one of my friends. Yeah, to me know if ever make a man do it, I'm a bottom it. And I said, no, yeah, try it, do it, and she like it. I said, girl, I'm mad. Do you but when dude will come out there, tell them out, let's make that go up in there.
Yeah, but listen to this again, lady, and them have to remember, so when we are talking, them have to understand what we are saying. Because we never born in an equal rights and blood clot justice time. We born when Buju Bantana said boom by boy in a batty boy head. If a boy suck pussy, you know him for dead. At them time that we born in a. So them have to understand, say, when them hear people like we say, the boy can't come in with truth. Them have to just low we for we talk.
It's true.
Girls, hey, gonorrhea in our throat now, you know. AIDS are in our throat now, you know. And first time when they look, hello, chlamydia. First time when the doctor look for infection, he look fit in your blood now. take it out of their mouth.
Easy.
In a truth, cause right now the boy, listen the boy them never fuck them again. Pebbles, big up yourself. Pebbles, you know when me fuck. No, it's not my Wi-Fi. So my wife, they might hear me quiet till it's your Wi-Fi. Listen to this lady and call your Wi-Fi. You will hear this when you watch the live over. Listen to this again when me I tell you, lady Ann. This is when me I tell you. When the doctor look for the when you chlamydia or chlamydia, wait one name. The boy them.
Chlamydia.
Listen to this lady and when me I tell you. The boy them cocky are dead before them time now because the girl them are support the whole of the little cocky. You know hear some young girl that come up on them phone now while I talk oh the boy them who dead. And them a kill the boy them old.
Jesus.
And some little nasty boy, some little nasty little boy, them never know how to skin over them would and wash them body and go in a girl mouth. Talk the truth.
My good God. Sorry? And them proud eyes.
I'm sweetheart, you know, say work me I come from effort early in the house to fix up, now house to clean, and some my house still. You know that lady, Ann?
No. You're right. John, a long time, I not come down to eat the food, you know. But like,
one of them there, we're going to keep something big again, man. We'll keep something big. Storm, when we talk the truth, them can't go cuss me after. Them can't go cuss me. Yeah, facts me and talk. Them can't go cuss me after. I'm not care. Yep. Lady and Wi-Fi again. Them are going to cuss me, but the truth, they are telling you. And guess what? Them have a style to say no, lady. And
my Wi-Fi, I down Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Yeah. I hear Wi-Fi because my friend them I hear me. You understand? Hear them have a style for say no, lady. And hear them style, no? America them there. Yeah. Sister, I hear Wi-Fi. Them have a style for them on America them there. Uno for make man respect uno. You understand? Respect uno. And that me I tell you. You understand? Uno respect them on the ground. Uno walking and uno respect as female. Uno walking as upon respect as some pretty face girl. Me see.
Me change my device. Cause me I want for the phone make it a spin. So me I try the tablet now and see the difference.
All right, listen to this now again, lady.
Can I spin?
Listen, lady. Me see some beautiful girl. This is some beautiful girl, nice girl, them sweet face. You understand?
Yeah.
When you see a woman with a little daughter like that and with a little girl pretty, you say, Lord, your daughter pretty. You understand?
Yeah.
Next in your ear, she has some cocky and she not scared.
Jesus.
So,
sad.
Yeah, we don't have nobody again. We want to teach in a school. They want to teach Bankati. We don't have no children again.
Dan, you know, so Chinese girl are still virgin though.
Sure. You know, me tell you, man. You know, so me tell you, say, when me carry Tironi, my granddaughter, and my daughter keys, down a welfare place where them send me ACS, where a kind of welfare building ACS there, you know.
Yeah.
You could them get the care and take off her clothes up. They must put her in a counseling for an hour, she and Tironi. And when the woman come out, the woman apologized to Wendy and said, listen, I really have a 16-year-old come down here and a 15 that is a virgin. Keep on doing what you're not doing. You understand?
That's what me I tell you, Dan. Chinese girl turned 21 Friday gone. Chinese girl is still a virgin. Chinese girl is still a virgin. Remember you get the name Chinese girl, you know? She's still a virgin.
Yeah.
Strong girl and a virgin almost. Strong girl live with man and I don't know.
Up, Sash.
Strong girl a big nail taking her down. If you go make you do your nail.
Yes, me tell us me have to get a play. Them no must get a play and I'm look at baby them there. When me come them I look.
Yeah, she bad at it. She bad at the nail thing. Her thing turn up. Me a can't tell her last night say I know nobody in on Friday no do the glitter nail. The nail with glitter at night.
Yeah.
So she beg her for come down there for a week, but she said she not go. Me that tell her for make me not go, so she not go down there.
But lady, and we grow our children, them have van, if and the corner, nobody don't know them.
Aye. Aye.
We
Me
grow
don't
them
like
now.
when people
Oh,
cuss people kids. You know when people, you know, Dan, I want to me calling him and King mix up and I tell him about the accident. Oh, me wait till I pointed point and me I tell him when me do and me I tell him why the woman and the car accident. Oh, the woman wake up, me baby them come give me 4 o'clock in the morning.
yes.
Me don't know them I tell somebody and King mix up a calling him. Yeah. Me I tell him the drama. The way me you Dan, you know me love them people there.
Lady,
Dan, remember? You
yes.
man wake up a bit then 3 o'clock in the morning and you man and take the sick the sick said the gallon of juice and again me the scared and cup and noodle them
Oh,
and everything. You remember my
yes.
ball?
The ball and say that never go a dance again. And from them time they drop dance for you, you know. You go
Yeah.
out once,
Tell me no must ball Dan.
once in a while, you really stop party for you.
Dan me ball, you remember? Me
Yeah.
ball like a baby and kill me picnic them and apologize to them and beat them and put them to sleep and cook curry chicken and rice give them and tell them never again.
Right.
And she come put
For
her.
1 and 2 party.
Yeah, me that calling him, me that tell King mix up about it and I calling him. And I tell King mix up, don't talk it, make the people me, you know, oh, she come put herself in the accident now. Tell the people what me do now, on the live. And you did that beg, and I said, lady, I know, me just say, and I might be a father by the car for my picnic. Father by the car for my picnic them, she
Yeah.
can't get no tight.
Lady, I made the car go down the drain. Because she said them can't get no money.
You mad? I should never had the accident done.
Chrissy, me there, you know, so that me just come panic. Them send ACS letter here for my niece, Stacy. And you know, and me come for tell them say to leave me alone. And them say Sophia cost me, which nothing a go so. Them say Nina cost me. Them say all kind of thing na me inbox. So me I tell them say to leave me alone.
So, oh, Nina for cut, Nina and a Christian.
I like them I tell upon the girl, wait now. Somebody again coming at me inbox and tell me, say, Lord Dawn, you know, hear them are done apple and it hurt me. Because them can't done apple. Apple, if them never done me, them can't done you. You understand?
And that's not done, and 9 day talk, it's so over.
Apple, you remember, so one time, hey lady, one time every day my name, the pan pink wall, you know, that's the woman of
They not tell me not, but me not know. You forgot, so me know Dan.
yeah, that's the woman, no man, I full time for no come off for Dan.
Yeah, well, like me not know.
Hey, you have a girl, you know, or a boy, you know, I catch a vice, you know. I catch the boy vice, and I go and give my blood clot beating, you see. I go and give my blood clot beating, and I send the SS over here, and I catch him vice yesterday. When you know, Dawn, when you can't tell blood clot, Dawn, I'm still saying, police Sophia. I say, listen to this. You see, the other day when Corona nearly killed me, you send police over here. You send ACS over here. And let me tell you something. You notice them come off alive. Because I said, no, all you. And I go and give him some blood clot liquor. You understand? And I'm going to lock me up. I'm watching me say, I go walk free.
Right, bad what the time Mr. Party, me can't bother.
ACS where I'm let out 57 blood clot case. 57 times ACS come here for what? No care. 17 now.
Damn. Sado. Sado. Me don't know why them just can't war without the ACS and the police. Just and the, you know, war, fight.
But I tell you,
fight and get over with it.
anything me get, me taking at the line of duty. So if me a ya war anything, yeah. Because if anything me do, you have to take it. Me cannot do no police.
That then when Mr. Party where I war, me never do no police. I remember when the boy fired the shot off for me the night, Dan.
Yes, it's true, yeah.
Quiet blood clot to go out some things in a man. Me glad me get all of me have to keep myself quiet, you see.
Lady Ann, tell the truth, lady, and get all in my book of blood clot, you know, because you have some young girl who beat me, you know why them beat me through me not so cocky, them always beat me out like a M16. So when me I go up, I have to put on my clothes and show them, say, you're not nice like me.
And I know some back every day I go man, me go buy shoes and clothes and have them in there and that. What the hell? What them I go to the store, me take up a pocketbook and Jermaine in there with me. Him just watch me and walk around the pocket, make him just take it down and put it down on me. And so the cashier said, why, yeah, you want to see how much you have in our closet? That's the closet we're in them. She not going anywhere.
Chrissy,
And put on what the bag.
where there is who board? I wonder if we board.
No, shut up, but the people must send the ACF board.
Wait now, hear this now, girl. Lady, I know some can't buy clothes. I fit no naked. Eh,
Me know that for a long time. You forgot so I saw you
there's
naked.
something for the body of your.
From Leon Diaz. Damn, from Leon Diaz you naked.
Oh yeah, Chrissy. Me say, me a one big man can't wear a clothes if it a blood clot naked. When me did young, me used
True.
to like short skirt and batty rider.
Me not like naked clothes, but me like sexy clothes.
Right now, our sexy clothes in but piece of the body of your show.
Hmm.
Me say,
Well, you have the body, me too. You have body, me not have the body, me too maga, so me can't show no way.
the lady and when that me go to dance, soul to souls. Me say when me see the picture, then me have to turn to myself now the mirror and say, 52-year-old woman, if you stop now, you know.
No, you first start for true.
Me say, if you looking at the mirror star, I said, Dan, you are 52, you can't stop now with everybody knows. So
Yeah, you have to start for true.
blood.
Want come out one of them nights still, you know. Want come out one of them nights. I feel like want come out.
I don't know where they are going to come out to the by girl. Because right now, the place some blood clot after naked, you know, say if you have come out, but I come out with me because I wear clothes and blood clot.
But I know in a way, you forgot to me know in a way close a long time. You go like, Dad, you remember when them tell us that me house don't have no furniture in there when you come here sit on the pan. I look all over, I'm the pan down where you look. So then you the pan down, them sort of furniture no in here.
Yeah, Morgan. Oh, lady, and them time, them never know, say, I saw your furniture, them big furniture, them like when me have like.
But Dad, look at them are here now. The glass them. You know, see everybody have them now.
Big
And look how long me have them.
Listen up, them time that you have a big blood clot dining table, like it's in a house of parliament. Big blood clot. Hey, lady, you see, see, family move out of the 1 bedroom and in a 2 bedroom. Me no buy look a piece of couch, you know. When me I buy couch, me I forget the 2 big piece them. The 2 big them. Yeah.
Hey, the people are bad no blood clot, do you know?
I
If you follow them, you got to prison for them.
create. Hey, me learn
If you follow them, you got to prison for them.
me learn them America, them can't break. Me stop come cuss them.
But me tell you that long time, no know where they alive because I just said I see over there because me no fought for you.
Me stop.
Cause me not go over there go cost.
Good for me lose all of my nice clean friend them when me and them grow down a Wildman Street, James Street. All Sandra Carter, you know, so she no look for me no more. Sandra.
What do you me the pan kid mix up and me a talk about my son in the prison? I want girl. I trust she them know she hurt me hard. Yeah, you know? Man, I fuck my son in prison, she want man fuck my next son. That girl I don't even know me yet. I wish she da drop blood clot dead. Cause then you know me not do pick me. Whereas my 2 boy then I told that girl then I know what she say.
And that's the thing now. When you are teach me, when you not understand, these people, them are wicked, they are the devil workers.
Why would you wish that on a woman child? Why would you even wish that for somebody's child? Remember, me not know you would just bug out pancake mix up sometimes. Why make you even take it there so? If me a style me to the ground with me walk on. Girl, you don't know me youth then. And you don't know
them are so different. Them are demon. You know, I go in the kitchen and look after my. I hear blood clot Wi-Fi. Ask everybody on the live if I put for Wi-Fi.
yeah.
I know
The
my
girl,
Wi-Fi no quick.
yeah, damn, the girl I wish man for fuck me too. Actually, she don't know me yet. I wish she had dropped blood clot then. I remember over them say she right up. Me never look on her because she don't know my blood clot yet her. Because all along with us over there have fun and just have play. When you go there so girl, you don't know where they me never know her blood clot. Actually, she don't know. Actually, she never know.
I told them they be on the fake.
Oh, people feel talk about and next.
Lady.
Yeah.
Lady. You see my husband? I eat picnic my husband have, you know. With different woman, you know. And I see some pussy I come on live, I come talk about that husband about him, man. When the man asks anybody about the man, did any spoilers
Dan
up on the
Wi-Fi, I'm
line?
telling you, not for me.
Who for Wi-Fi? Who for Wi-Fi? You tell us a fair one, no man.
Yours, Dan, is not mine.
You tell you
See?
there's a fair Wi-Fi, no?
Me say on my Wi-Fi. Why not say me? I mean, I want to kill a girl. Kill me, want to kill a blood clot.
Everybody tell us that you're a Wi-Fi lord. On the help me, yeah.
I told the friend of that, do not defend that.
Friend of me for what?
It's not mine. See, everybody has say my Wi-Fi.
Anybody who has to come by internet, even come look them a bad people. The one they were coming at them black and white page, them a coward.
Why everybody has say my Wi-Fi? Well, you know why? Everybody they panic for choose. True the accession I go around there, so Jumian in there so I play them games, so I can't mind so true. But see me wrote on the right there, so I mean I know.
But I'm not telling
No,
like
sure.
hey, I'm tell you now, the woman them first stop 8 pound woman with ring pan them finger pussy still because woman with ring pan them finger good as.
But some in nowadays married no mean nothing.
Roxanne, big up yourself. You know I love you. Nah.
But that nowadays marriage no mean ring no mean nothing, you know. Ring and finger mean no. Can we be friends? Can I send her some flowers?
No, it mean the man love you and wants you.
That no, in a phone stage, I'm married. Remember you married long time, you know. Nowadays married, that's what it means.
Well, nowadays married, you know, it's a green card. It's a
yes.
but no scammy and you're there.
Yes.
Everybody.
Yeah. It's just a position. It's just a position thing. Okay, me watch back the live charming and say, nowadays marriage is just position.
No, I didn't buy the man the ring and the man like gold.
Right.
And the girl them like diamond. So the boss say those say my husband buy me the ring, girl look at it. Babe. And that's so
yeah. And some of them just want me husband. And them draw the husband to, you know. Me husband.
When they talk to them friend here, them, and my husband come from work, and girl, your husband in our hole. Yeah, husband in our hole. Yeah.
Them never know the husband there next door.
Yes.
I ring out another hole and I done them.
Yeah.
And that's a go on.
Well, I don't know what to do. Them a talk about husband and the husband now give them no money. Them name no they pan up paper. The husband now have nothing. Can you imagine?
Dad, you remember that song, yeah? You, me and your man life. Nobody watch me. Come in the care boy. You are wifey, flea. You know look good. Girl, you never look nice. You never look like me little puppy. Right, well, big thing. Your husband a run me down. Wifey begs like a me make you done.
Lady
yeah.
Hey, you see the husband thing in America? His name
yeah.
I'm a husband.
Yes. Yes. But me husband, them for say me green card. Me sit to the shape.
Them for say me black.
No, Dan. The man that live the way, I want summer for steal.
Me I tell you, you know when them want summer when them come from Jamaica.
You want live the way and want something for steal, summer for steal.
Summer for steal. You see, as soon as him get the book, we say it's a big G, not even the REE, and you know, him gone like some emotion. Then them walk and ball. Lady and there with my husband, and she know say my husband. Girl, if your husband in one,
you remember the one where come out Brooklyn? You remember the one where come out of Brooklyn and tell the man to come out of the house? You remember the one there? Come out. She work 3 jobs and the man not bed and mine and next girl with fair money. All we are Brooklyn, she trail the man. She put on GPS for the cocky and trail it come out Brooklyn. What? She put on navigator on the body and trail it come out Brooklyn.
Me that like some of them girl yeah. What ball for husband and man want them to come all walk with me. Let me show them when man want girl. Cause no square no favor a pan. Man want to know
No,
man
sir.
man I go fix you know.
Sorry for some of them.
I want to first stop talk about girl who take man pan them man. Take man pan him and bone him. We go find you no own.
Bone him, take man pan him, take the house and land and run him. Bone him.
Yeah, and talk about girl buy man house, girl man. If a man cocky good buy him anything where you can buy him. If a girl pussy good man to spend pan them.
Yeah.
I know you
No.
know so them really
I know man buy
unfair.
the man car to you know Dan and put GPS. You know remember Dan, you never see the
Yes,
all over when he
just said straight, hey, them girl are unfair, you know. That's why me I tell you say them girl are unfair. Lady, and we are old school, so we can't talk for ourselves. We can't talk for them. You understand, diary? Oh, a girl, right? Would I like to know say? You understand? It a point here to lady and. Oh, a girl would
yeah.
I like to know say? You understand? Should they with a man and the man have money and the man not give her nothing? I sure really.
Cause she's a man clone. She's a man
All
clone.
right. Flip by the kind in a different way now. Oh, you fi have money, lady, and you look good and your floss and your man no look good.
Cause I'm a fool, my girl idiot.
Okay. Okay. Uno fi take care of no blood clot self and stop take care of man. A man fi take blood clot care of woman. And me and my blood clot father bury my mother so me can talk about it.
That's right.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you something, lady, and me start come a friend before my husband, you know. Cause you know that too, lady. And
Yeah, me
when
know.
me listen to lady, and it's when me I go back to Jamaica, I work all in a tobacco factory. I be edible what clothes me make my husband wear them blood clot time, they and coconut blood clot slippers. Remember them things they them name brand clothes there?
Yeah.
I be a them blood
Yeah.
clothes they me make that man ya wear it in my house. So when me that do, I mind me, I mind him.
No, yeah, make your husband look good. For walk, sir, there you.
Yeah. Mr. Storm, when me and this man here dead, them time the broom come a foreign, I don't want him again, diary. When me come a blood clot work, I'm working all tobacco factory. Me do home care. And when me a buy the man a blood clot things, them pay coconut blood clot slippers, me make him wear edible blood clot clothes and all these things. You understand?
So why you confused? Tia, why you confused, Tia?
Tia, may I watch you because you're soon gone. Because you can't
She said she confused.
You have to talk about confused. You can't do such a confused, so. Love, Tia.
That's why me ask her why she confused.
Tia, me just split the justice. Let me split it again. Can look like you're confused, Tia. So let me broke it down for you, Tia. If lady and there with a man and lady and have money, right? And the man don't you think it is right for the man there with lady and share money and him not look good? Yes or no?
No. Me for fix him up for him walk side of me looking good.
All right. Flip the kind back now, Tia. Why a girl for there with a man when not give her blood clot, nothing and him have money? Eh?
Man fool.
That no look
Man
good.
idiot.
That what go on.
Man idiot.
Call them man kulung blood clot pen. Cause guess what happen when a boy you look your first thing you find out if him have it or him don't have it. And if you're afraid for
That's right.
and mind you. If you're afraid for ask him if him have money, can mind you. Are you little girl, are you little boy? Look on him shoes where they on him foot. You see if him shoes where they on him foot look like him and wear one shoes for 3 months, no go there so.
If it lean, no Dan, if it lean. Make sure know if it lean.
Yeah. No
If it's
go
not
there
coming
so.
down for one side.
Yeah, big up yourself, bitch, you move straight. Yeah. You understand? And listen, Mitchell 33, me I watch blood clot, you know, come on. If I see Mitchell that way they're on Florida, but walk and fuck and mind young boy. Yeah? Yeah?
Your blood clot.
Yeah.
You can't bother with you, no.
Listen to this. If a boy look you and you want with the boy, we give you something. It's the first date him take you out pan. If him not have no car and you have your car, him no say you have your car first place him for tell you drive up in the gas station and put some gas in your car. As to your car,
that's right.
Gas already. Oh, all right, sweetheart. All right. Michibu, come over here. You comment too. I said, you careful of gas already, sweetheart. Yeah. You just turn
Yeah.
and say, put on the money there. So when we reach our next gas station, me I go take it. As when you reach at the blood clot next stoplight, you creep up the money same time before him you forgot and him take you up back pushing in pocket. Cause guess what happen, you don't want no gas. Me I take me a show
You
no
don't want no gas.
blood clot man. If you don't have car, I saw it go. All right. Next thing again, we'll flip the car all over. The boy same like you. You can't drive him
So you not take the man and build them, but you don't want a man build your son do. You not take the man and build them, but you don't want a man build your son do. You unfair.
Listen, I be unfair thing them I talk about. Me build my blood
Yeah.
clot husband, I'm not afraid to tell a girl that or a boy that. Because when me come America, me the blood clot ignorant, come here, come work in a tobacco factory and get my money. And use it by load and carry a blood clot Jamaica. Me have to make him nice, the blood clot, yeah. I see it at him come give me citizenship in a blood clot America. Una no sense. Una have to observe things. Una have to observe things. Now it me a show no how to observe things. Una not answer. Una not taking what me I tell you. Una just talk about my man and them things there. Girl, you can pick up a man when you have zero, but him have respect.
And give him a start.
Listen,
You know Bob the Builder?
three shirt. Listen, lady. Hey, listen.
She said she not Bob the Builder. Yeah, laugh.
Listen, wait the lady.
Yeah.
You go tell her how it go. You pick up a boy and you have it and him don't have it. Him hear about your money and him want come help you spend your money. And that's how it go. You came to your house. If any part of it wrong, you know, lady, and stop me.
Yeah.
You came to your house and you like him. You know same company and you're out. But you came to your house, right? Because you have your house. And
Yeah.
you came to your house. I teach them things, you know. But now put them.
Not investigate him. Invest him first before you came to your house.
Wait, no man, that part the past, man. You like the boy. You like the boy, right? Hold on, lady.
Yeah.
And the boy several times and you like him and thing, but him not smell too good, you know. Him not really up in your standard. Cause things when me see me and talk about him. You understand? But
Yeah.
if come stand up and you look good and him not look good. You can buy him 3 shirts and 3 pants.
Yes.
And I look at one
As a start.
as a start. You can't work now, you know what you said to my youth, me gonna left my car alone, you can't drive, you know. Him wash the car. But you left the car here when you come, you see him at the house asleep, same way. When you have to sleep, get up. My car want wash. All when a 2 degree, you have to go out there, go blood clot, wash it. You have to make my sister.
So wait there. If you gonna look walk him not supposed to asleep.
Wait the man, remember so some of them not have no papers, you know. A citizenship them a pre-pan and green card them want, so we have fix them. You see me? And then 2 years man know them text say you idiot. You understand? So that me see I go on out there, no lady, and I know what happened to me, you know. And that me see I go on.
Me know they wanna see it up all the while, Dan. We see it up all the while.
I'm gonna tell you now. You understand? You ask him, my youth, you there work, I call you say, my youth, what you do? You know, I'm not wake up yet, and I say, no man, wake up now, man. Draw where the dresser. You understand? And sweep out around the feminine, my youth. Yeah. And I have some shoes in the closet. Me I got dance, me kind of pull them down and them not pack up them the back for me real quick now. And you come, and you to no, Like how me like glass furniture, you left all the Windex on the table and left all the note. Please clean all the glasses in the living room for me, please, no? And when you come and you see him not do nothing, don't bother make love jump and my youth come out of this. Timothy and Garo.
That's right.
And
where's if him not cook no food till where's if him not cook no food for you come home come eat out through the door.
But
Through the door.
The bell. In fraternity, me I said to myself, sit down on the couch, Dan, make me take off your shoes. Yeah, take off my shoes off and my good cause I work me I come from. And then me start
Right.
take off my clothes. And when me start take off my clothes down lady and him turn in the kitchen. And when me look, I must smell the steamy hot blood clot food that come to me.
See him, sir.
What
See him,
and
sir.
baby
See him, sir.
around the table. And then me go watch
See him, sir.
around the table. And me say to him, say, come right
See him, sir, Dan.
all of them for me now. Take off that wig for me and put over that mannequin head, yeah. Cause you testing me in all kind of way. And when you testing me, I take time look at him face too, you know. If him face
Yeah.
change, you know, say man nobody. Yeah,
That's right.
you know, say man
Cause
nobody.
some of them not used to nothing, Dan.
Yeah.
Some of them not used to nothing. And some of them just want a little start too.
Yeah.
Some of them just want a little start.
So, but you can't
Yeah.
just them come and just feel comfortable because to them near man and you want a pedals for your wheel. The woman them have to understand now. And let me tell you something what these girls doing again now. Some boy will never get pussy when them they are Jamaica. Them not get no pussy. Cause nobody no
True.
want them. Them come America.
True.
Some girl a jump on and them gonna suck them food. Yeah.
True.
You couldn't get pussy when they are Jamaica now. You turn big top shatter now cause you could have get suck. You know much
Yeah.
feet. Some of them buy out some big fish and can't hold in the plate. And that boy they when him be a yard a paper them eat and butter.
Bread and butter and dumpling and butter.
Him good looking,
True.
yes. Yeah, him good looking. Him find him way come America, yes, cause visa give way. And him not too
True.
young, so him getting look a visa. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Now you know what true thing me I tell. We the woman them have to understand ourselves and stop lick out for one another.
True.
Everything happen. And we
True, Dan.
you come stand up with Gangsta Dan or Roxanne or Lady and now. Cause everybody don't know Gangsta Dan. Everybody don't know Lady and cause we have a brand power blood clot name. I will buy your 3 shirt and your boss now. Your boss now. You know the first.
Your boss.
Yeah, you go say no. I don't know shall watch me for.
Yeah. I them disrespect them.
Yeah, come ask. I am Jim free and friend watch down over there start watching, you know, so shall watch you. From you now come to the dance.
I mean, I know that big money I take said from me. What a big money I take said from me for.
Then him know when him come over here, boy, you can't even make me walk and go call to my friend, him brew me, man. You can't even make me go call to my friend, stuff you just watch me, so. Like yo,
True.
one vaccine in your blood clot. One slap me, I slap you.
Yeah. See him, so. Right there, so.
Yes, I can
Right
hear you.
there, so.
People them dance. That's why I see me, tell you the truth. You see me, I don't want nobody, you know. But say 2 boys can't find for me in America. I tell you, no, say, you take me to the cross. And I lie me and tell. Come in a life, come see the boy them a deal with the woman them.
True, Dan.
Yeah,
True.
woman them a give the boy them too much hype. You have a
True,
them
Dan. True.
I can't be there and hear them words with them a ball out. All when him no want them want him. You mad no blood.
Idiot girl, them. Idiot girl, them there.
Oh, you mean all when me no
Me no want nobody when they want me. Me no want nobody when they want me.
Then you feel good now. Cause all when you know
Me no
want
want
me,
nobody
want
when they
you.
want me.
Me not get a big cup of tea there for drink, boy. If you don't want me, me no want you neither. And let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, man. Sometimes they not really have it for you want to fall in love with them, you know.
Then that means some of them just need a start. Some of them really need a start.
Yeah. You don't have to know how to deal with them, man. Them coming at your
True.
house, them all like eat 2 eggs one time, and them know so the egg are for serve for the week. And you won't like eat 1 and them I eat 2. Where you think milk in the fridge, you drink off. You drink off the whole of the milk before the week, and you now go to the supermarket again.
True, man.
No woman, they want to like sex too much, man. You know, for buy lemon juice and put it on the fridge, man.
True.
Sometimes you don't feel sexy, and the boy them not worth it. You don't drink some lemon juice. Drink some lemon
I have
juice.
some sugar and water. Throw a little sugar in the lemon juice and mix it.
Yes, diarrhea. I can't.
But you see that? But you will reach some of them. You will reach some of the bigger man them know. Them just desperate for little young boy. Them turn fool.
And they make we look like an idiot now. They make we look like an idiot cartoon win a bad.
Dan, you know me not like young boy. Dan, you know me not like young boy. You know me not go young boy.
Me never have a young boy yet, you know. But me see two
Me
little
go
one
young
and
boy.
three little one and them always I say, boy, me like you, Dan, me like you, But you me know say them are my daughter same age and my son are same age. Me not have nothing to say to them more than me ask
No.
more than
Yeah.
Lord man. Me a big man. Yes, Roxine, we are good with them. We are good with them. We need to come out more cartoon in a band in a equal rights and justice time. You understand? And them little girl, I make them know say them will deep throat them. Deep throat them go away.
I true Dan. I see him so the thing
You
go for true.
understand? We have to stop it. We have to make we were out for a long time before we get to respect from these little young boy. Them are some big old man where used to give woman money. Nah, give woman money again.
I true in Dan. Oh, you know so.
Me hear G-Post liquor style for me the other night. Me there in a one dance and G-Post say,
I
cousin.
lie.
G-Post say, gangster dance, stand up right there, so. You see the way how you look? That even old man I look you. This is the way you look, gangster dance. You see the young boy, them afraid of you because them know say, you are the kind of big woman when them have to look money and give.
Of course.
Yeah.
Bills have to pay, car note have to
The
pay,
man,
rent have to pay.
I tell the girl, the boy, me I tell you the truth. Look how Roxine look good now. You understand? Our children, them her. She have her own respect. You understand? Because she's a woman who born her weed. They want to me to know, I look up boy, I go see you know, Roxine and like you. I'm coming at the nice house and then him just I want to sleep. The woman them for do better, man. Yeah,
I
man.
true Dan. Them for stop it. Them for do better for true.
Young girl, me not,
True.
I tell you, no, me not fight against you, no, come. Let me tell you something, me breed very,
Uno
very
for
young.
fuck and collect.
Yeah, yeah. This one me I tell you, no, can me breed very young. I'll never fight against a young girl. But this thing wanna come up with, man, about equal rights and justice. I make the boy them just a drop off them pants in front town and a push thing down in the throat. Me not it, you know. Me
I
not it.
true that.
God no, me
I
not it.
true.
And
I
then the
true that.
worst part of it again, lady, and as a big woman, come here, big woman, you know. Them more and way for so them like them, yeah, tight. That's not just when the boy them a video them. I'm
Then
rocking.
them want to be video and see them a look up their camera. What you done? Them a look up their camera because them want to start the roll.
Yeah, yeah, fuck.
Them a start the roll now, so them look up the camera.
That already that too. No, tell me no. Some of them why we not a blind them blind for them are wow. Them drop put jump
No,
in at them.
Dan. Them a start the roll. Them a start the part. So them a look up the camera and movie them a make.
This grace to go up on the internet later, them pass it on in them friend them phone, everybody see a secret part.
Them not care. Them a start the roll.
Boy, I'm not telling a lie, you know, you see my son at 27.
I saw you all done.
Yes, man, this year I'm at 28.
God.
Yes, I call him over here. Me say, Papa, come over here, you know, cause you're a road boy. Come over here, you're Yankee. Come over here. Come talk to them two girls, you feel me? And me I tell you, when my son don't lecture to blood clot, me I say, what a fool me eye.
See there? You have to teach them.
Him say, him make sure tell him say, listen to this. Boy, I'll hide in a closet and hide on a bed and bring girl in them house. And I do the girl them, and when the girl them I get the doing, in front they have video it and things there. Ask
Yup.
me now, tell me now, at my age, no Roxy. If me did young again, when I say young again, in my 30s,
Yeah.
I need there with a boy now, and him now I'm 30s, so. You understand? And
Yeah.
him can't carry my mother house, him have to carry me go to one nice posh hotel. If you not have money for
That,
carry me go a nice, beautiful hotel, you can't come under here.
that's right.
And if me the young again now, cause them say equal rights and justice time now. And a boy go take
See
out
there?
himself in front of me, you know, and say to me, say, come work this and taste it and swallow it. He must work and taste and swallow too.
That's right. 2 years. And a 6 down a 69.
69.
And a 6 or 69.
Two me never ball na equal rights and justice, me call it two-way style.
No, I know 6. It's not 6. It's 69. You do me, I do you. The two are together. 69. I know
Oh,
6. 69.
we call it two-way style.
Yeah. The
Me
boy
I
come
tell you,
talk, but
Dana.
not saying. I know 6
Them
at
tell you, Dana, me.
69.
No, man, the young girl, them have to do better than that, man. Una leave opera
That's
alone,
true.
una low opera alone, una low. Opera, you not do nothing wrong. As long as you not lick it back, you have your husband don't suck a boy hood. Nope.
Well, him never say she suck him. Him just same sleep with her a couple of places and him give her over about $2,000.
Okay,
But him never
opera.
say she suck him.
Okay.
Hmm?
Uncle one thing
Him
she
never
do
say she
wrong.
suck. She should have pleaded the fifth.
And I think I choose she talk, make him talk because the boy like
No,
him.
him talk first. Him talk first. The girl tape him.
Oh.
Like when she question him, she tape him. So after ball out and said, no, him never fuck me, man. Go suck me. I mean, I'm a friend, them name him out.
Oh.
Mm.
But lady,
She
let me
should
tell
have
you
pleaded the
something
fifth.
again where Opera don't know. Because Opera young to this game, America Opera grow. You know, say
That's
boy,
right.
hey, you know, say, boy, I'll tell life and girl pussy say them take the girl and them not take them.
Then we don't go through that poly part time and look up boy tell I say
Hello.
them fuck me, man.
Then I never tell you now. One time, I'm my husband, you know, me meet my husband, you know, after come, I tell you something there with Broom, I meet my husband up at Kingston Yard, you know, and car my husband drive and go wait for me, but them time, them are my boyfriend. You
Yeah.
understand? I hear this now. One boy see me now when me are going to the car, you know, blood clot, man. Hey, I know what the boy do. The boy take it up on him head, jump on a bicycle, head a blood
I'm gonna
clot.
tell
Me I
Broomy.
live. I'm gonna tell bro me, but here what happen to me see him and him see me and me know him and him know me. So me just say stuck it turn on back the carry and drop me and me yard there, you know. Cause the boy I go care about my name, you know. Bro me mad na blood clot and head up to my blood clot yard, you know. It's when bro me reach on me yard, cause the boy say him see me a while ago in him ride the bicycle fast him wet. And
Yeah.
when him reach down, I tell him say, bro, me say, Allah, yeah, take for my woman. Him say, yeah, I swear to God. So, bro, me say, yo, good, come at me and go up the road there. You understand, cause, and bro, me come up the road and thing. It's when bro, me come and push my mother door with that ignorance, see. Me jump up, who that? You understand? Thing say, out the road. Me say, me out the road, bro, me. Me asleep from about 6 o'clock. Him say, all right
Wicked
then.
fucker, yo.
Him say, all right, then if anything, if you don't want to come down the road, everything good, you know. Me just a check for you. Me say, all right, everything good. You see, the next night was a Friday night. Guess who I come down for the bicycle? The boy from Alman Town. Me bro, say, yo, sir, come
Mm.
over here, sir. Where you say you sit down last night? What time it was? You know? It was like about after 9, 10, you know, soldier. Yeah, bro, no court. What time you go down here last night? Here could no about half a night. One
To
blood
blood
clot
clot.
punch broom him and him drop on the ground and step up on him bicycle and said, don't call up my woman name.
To
This
blood
way.
clot fast and that's forget.
I step up and him drop on the bicycle. Blood clot. When girl good, them good enough. I look
And
Omar
that
to
them for
me.
know.
Look Omar to me and give him a sit to some blood clot cheap room where you're there. You couldn't stop me from taking that money room. Whoa! Lord, goodness gracious.
Just outsmart him blood clot. Is that good to you tell stuck it
Whoa,
on
the
back?
man of my husband.
Is that good to you tell stuck it on back down?
We know where I do. Girl have to know what I do.
Mm. Like me say one thing Apple she should have plead the fifth. That's it.
Yeah.
Not more.
And let me tell
Plead
you,
the
you
fifth.
see, should they plead the fifth? Me know all my friend J.I. can stay. J.I. can operate that just look for him and beat him. That's how we that do it. Hello, that's how we that do it.
But Dan, that was back in the days. Them things are not going no more. That was then.
Because them girl you idiot, you see.
They don't know it, Dan. They don't know it.
Them are idiots.
Remember,
Hello,
so
let me
my
tell
beer
you
father used to
something.
park, Dan. You remember, so my beer father used to park up to come bust me and couldn't bust me.
All right, let me tell you something again now, lady. And let me tell you something, girl, good, you know, me are telling her. You see, when me are going to foreign on, and me are stuck in there good. You see, on Friday night time, when me are put on my blood clot shots to go find books, and walk up and down pan road. I understand? I who help me going on my tight shots. Look, pull up that side there for me. Pull up that side there for me. Pull up that side there. And when me blood clot come back and nyam up my books, them me and Benita where they are England, Sandra Ranger, one when they Pat where they are England. When me blood clot come back and me a count my money is okay. No, sir. Me stand up right, yes, sir. Me I watch you out there. So them man they give them money, I'll 3 man they one place so I look me. Me take time whisper to that one, they tell him something. And that one they don't know say him I look me, you know. And another one they don't know say him friend I look me. I own me just whisper say this, listen, no. You know, say, but for pay the school fee tomorrow for my little girl, and remember say I asked her from last week, me I look help. Yeah, him no want him friend them see my give girl money, him take time and really thought. You understand? If the next one get up, and if you go take a look outside, when the coffee him head blood clot long time outside. You understand? The girl look change them one go town tomorrow. Yeah. One left now when no one get up. And no one come out, you know, so you have to go wait till him a go film car.
That's
Yeah.
right.
That the truth does time. You have to wait till I want the guy and care to blood clot. Are you sick? I'm say lady and but tell him say me no want nobody see and call up him name. Tell him say me I beg him $500. You understand? Can I have something to do tomorrow? You understand? And when you get the $500, me just bust your blood clot 100. I should before in my blood clot pocket. Ask Nicky about that. And a girl with name Bright Eye.
Right there, so Dan. Right there,
Right,
so
let's
same
go.
so.
We don't know about no when them dug in your throat and equal rights and justice story. That's why them big woman ya win at them 50s look good, so.
Them still
Yeah,
don't know, no?
yeah, yeah. How you hear all a little song
Them
I
still don't
play?
know.
Yeah, and when you hear all a little song I play, just get your books and just a dance with your books. So, who wants to see me books? If you can't see me books, see your books. I love them in now. And listen to me, and a lady, and me, you know, part with the books, you know. Come here, tell you, say, yeah, you lady, and it's really God. You go down there, like, you know, and you go get where
Them
you get.
understand the thing used to go, man.
Yeah, them a girl, you see a quarrel over books and them things, and all of them things there. Them girl, they don't have no cell phone, I call nobody. We have to go walk and look for her books, or her walls, or her books, or her cars, or her books.
And I go some dangerous place to go meet up with the boobs
Oh,
too.
me afraid them catch me a jungle. Me don't know jungle and river.
No, me not go jungle. Me not go some place. Me not go down. You mad?
Whoa, that the truth now. The book them have to come down and Walmart Street on a store of juggling, my love. And them have to come up on my
Yeah.
place up a Q Club, my love.
Right there, so.
Yes, my love. Them girl you have some walkless, cutlass, big woman.
Them little
And
girl
them
don't have no
little girl
sense,
you
yeah,
have
Dan.
no sense at all. Hey,
Don't hear them, no? Hear them, no? Me not ask him for nothing. You mad girl, you that don't want to
yeah.
fucking ask. I want to want to deep throat in my ask you.
Wait
You
now.
must be mad. You better ask.
Lady, and let me tell you something about my life when I show enough girl right now on the light, yeah. You one time me look when me I look a young girl, me love ugly boy now blood clot cause ugly boy was spar with a brownie. Him want call him want him name call with your name, say I yarn him there. So every cent him get
Me
him
know.
can't come to you. All him mama money him can't come blood clot here too. Yeah, yeah, you
Them
understand?
not
Yeah.
understand. Yeah.
Them not have no boom principle. And a boom principle again, that I mean. Them not have no mouth principle. And them mouths. Them
Nasty girl
mouths.
them.
Yeah.
Nasty girl them.
I'm say some of
I'm
them look
proud
about
of
in
you,
hey.
see?
And when you look on them look about it nice and clean and look good, you see, man. The little girl them.
Who?
And them about some tall little ear drop down on them back, make them favor princess. and them not value themselves. Talking truth.
True, it's true you're talking.
Them not
True you're
value themselves
talking.
because girl them good looking. Cause when we are growing up, you understand? Real one.
When we are growing, we never have the whole for filter like them, you know. Them have the whole for
Me I
filter,
got
we never
tell
have
you now,
it.
say when we are growing, we not good looking, so our blood clot.
Good looking woman.
Cause we head picky, and when we get look black gel and we pierce it down to the blood clot side there. So till one the when it shape up ear name, while we the one we jingle when you walk. What them we call it spring
Yeah.
curl. You have to be a
Yeah.
girl for can wear blood clot spring curl. And when you catch up the spring curl with the matey bubbles, Lisa, and it ice up in the ear, so to blood clot. I used to try Jamaica in there, your face puff, you see, because the sun burn you up and you have the bleaching cream for rub it off and blood clot.
Talk up now. Talk. Talk.
That
Them little girl come get the good thing, and we never have it. We have
and
it the
them
rough
come
and
get the good things them cast listen. For amber work by your face, you have to have the color, you know. So you know when I get there, Jamaica, she black now, blood clot.
me I tell you.
Hey, and the race train and never they tie up your waist. So when your belly big,
Be
your
a
belly big.
gurgle. The gurgle drives them down. We have to wear.
Yeah.
The
And the
gurgle
girl
fancy
draws
them.
them so high, them come up all
And
your blood
then when we have
clot titty.
a period, we have to wear two of them to keep up the big heavy dirty ugly pad.
Wait no man.
To keep it firm.
Wait no man, remember say I get where we come from, you know. When G-string are coming a style and we don't have the G-string, we draw the blood clot draws on the robot and make it shape a G-string. I make the man them a blood clot hurt them girl away who don't have G-string. We don't have to have 100-piece ear and dropping on the back now. We don't have an eyelash because we don't know about eyelashes and them things say when we there Jamaica. Eh?
We used to use shoe polish and Kool-Aid for blood clot lipstick.
I will use Kool-Aid and bleach out with ear. To all the Kool-Aid ear style again. The red Kool-Aid, I will put it in our ear. Tell the truth, no? I can't. They don't know their blood. Hey, that's why we have to look good sad people, man. You know, Miss Camber. Hey!
They don't know.
My God,
I will a little bit. I will mix the cheap lotion with the Vaseline and shine with skin.
No, talk too much show. Lady, and I made them class with too much.
Yeah.
And look
Yeah.
hear this. Our father, our mother, uncle have the money for put the food on the table and keep the house clean and go and market and them things there. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. You
Them
understand?
gyal get it good. Them gyal get
Them
it good,
gyal get
Dan.
it good. Them mother and them father work for them and make man a beat them.
Damn idiot,
Man a
them.
deep throat them.
Damn idiot. It's true. Man.
Girl, let me tell you something.
We have the one pair of shoes and we put it down, we draw the little flip flop with we dirty foot, go walk up and down and beg for God down.
And then at the night for Christmas the one shoes. We never know
Now,
to have our red shoes with red shorts.
The one shoes going every outfit.
Every blood
If a
clot
purple and red
outfit.
shoes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then them want come bad mind without you we live good.
Yeah, them.
And they don't know the hardship we go through.
Yeah, tell
And
you.
couscous perfume, Dan. Dan, I forgot about the couscous perfume.
No, me use taxi too. I did out of town and selling at the pharmacy. Taxi too.
Dan, before taxi two, it was Dan, before taxi two, it was couscous. And Essen. It was couscous and Essen.
Me know Essen, but maybe let me tell you something. When the next one you call it couscous, maybe me couldn't afford the couscous, so me buy taxi too from the England them.
No, Dan, taxi two, the other S and couscous. Remember couscous them used to use for dead people, you know.
Wait a minute, girl. Me forget the next one here again. You remember the little shorts, the little tights, them out of town where the country people they make with the spandex in it.
Yeah.
Now if you put that on like we're hot girl for Friday night, we split the side of with t-shirt. Lady, we split the two sides of with t-shirt because we want with belly fresh warm, Lord God. We tie up the front.
Yeah, I don't have to talk about. Talk about we hungry, we make the caramel porridge and use sugar and sweeten because we never have no milk.
What? That's the truth.
That's how we transfer. And so I see sap leaf tea and lime
Girl,
leaf
I tell you
tea.
about the ice colonia. Look a girl, me I tell you
Yeah.
no. You have to do better than that with no pretty body and no pretty self. Me nah class, you know.
I chew
Me
that. I
nah
chew them to
class,
the
you know.
better man.
You know, for yes, and the powder in your neck, all the way up in your neck, come down in your breast. You understand? And them time they have powder wear. I'm gonna put salon still a wear powder.
So blood.
I put salon still a wear powder up in her neck.
You're bad enough.
A lady, you remember the little Avon Roland them? The little Avon
Yes,
Roland them
yeah,
with them a say,
Atlan. I remember the ear and we arm. We have to careful or rub it to kind to itch up in their earth way.
a Lord have mercy. America, me there, me a citizen in America. But I thought the truth, though.
And then, and when we not on a pad, when we not on the money for buying a pad, we have to roll up a whole heap of toilet paper, roll it, and use. On to some girl. And Q-Tex.
What? Tell the truth, the Roxy. And them girl, you look how them pretty. Them mother buy them 36 long hair in them neck back. Touch them waist. Them father give them good $1,000, $1,000 US. Them money they can't buy house when we liquor. Talk the truth.
Yeah,
And them lazy too. You see, talk about all them lazy. Them and them mother
a
have to
true.
fight for the working at the house. You have to fight them for go to school. You have to fight them for do something. Talk about them. Hey, look, hey, me see the parents them are managing hard with them, you know.
A true Dan.
Yeah, the razor
True, yeah.
lotion. Yeah, me used to buy the razor lotion, my love girl. How much
You
used to
remember
sell it
razor
again?
quite sweet, Dan? You
And
remember
yeah,
razor sweet?
and the lotion them love. Hey,
The razor catch with the razor this sweet with it love it, you see?
this one more people lady and I went, Lord God.
I wanted them, man. And then when we make a piece of bread with a little butter and a cup of lime leaf tea.
Wait, and so it going name quarter bread at the bread
Quarter
shop.
bread.
If you can't buy
Yeah.
quarter bread, you buy 2 slices of bread, my love.
That's right.
Yes, the razor kid
You
them
talk about
the
Rexona
razor
soap,
did have
a
perfume
carbolic
too.
soap. Dad,
Where they
and
go?
when we
So
not
we
a
had
carbolic soap,
so
we use the
Roxy, I
fab.
tell you about one, yeah? When we pick up a 2 back there, we're going to sell them 5 cents a one. Hey!
Yes. And then, when we not a carbolic soap, we use the fab. And when we not a toothpaste, we use the coal or the salt.
No, me not know about that one. They become my mother did that, my father did that work. And my mother did that work. So I always have 50. We always have 50. Yeah.
All the blue bomber
Oh,
soap, drop the
so
whole
you
of our
say
kid.
Castile soap, yes, diary. And that my baby,
And
and
the
them
one
have
we could
one
have
more sweet
can
one.
done. And all we could afford the Castile. So someone we'd have to use the blue bomber will dry out to skin. Or the brown soap.
Me don't know the blue bomber, me know the cake soap. I name blue bomber.
Yes, Dan, the blue one. And it make your pum pum tight when you bathe with it. Dry out all of your pum pum.
Oh, what about it all?
All the brown soap, when you broke, when you bathe with the brown soap, when you done you're white, you see, you're white like snow.
Oh, but you're so nice.
You're white like snow when you done with it. And then sometimes we get look at a tin of Betty milk and some oats and a dragon or a Guinness and we just mix that and drink.
Yeah, because them time they were hot girl now, you know. We stand up in your yard and you mix up your little oats now and your milk, you know, and you put a Guinness in the car. You find all your 2 books there and you get a look about it. You say, give me a substrate, no? And a Guinness, you understand? Because books we say
Yes.
get something, you know. So I give you, wow, you understand? But I tell a lie. But I tell a lie, that's why we need woman look so. Yes, Roxy, we run boat a man in we wake up. Your friend him over there, so your friend all live down the road and you are around boat with a little chicken back and hurry and come up.
Chicken back and dumpling and curry chicken back and dirty girl and rice.
No, me, hello, when me and my
call
friend,
it dirty girl and
hello,
rice.
when me and my friend them around boat, we cook deer things. You know where we used to cook them time there? Where they have the pig foot. We can't cook the pig foot, good double out clot and the turkey neck, you know. Hey, hey.
Hey, Dan, one time we have a last money, I'm gonna buy a tin of mackerel, you know, find that tin of mackerel a baby bullfrog. My friend just fling out that blood clot and still cook the tin mackerel and ask if none of it. That's the baby bullfrog out tight.
Hey, one time some boy I run boat in my back of my yard, you know, I'm want some of the food to in my car. The whole I really live in the same yard, you know, I mean, I think I say though. The boy open the pot and the pan watch the blood clot dumpling them. I'm gonna say a lizard in the tree just choke off in the blood clot pot. I say a lizard choke off in the boy them potting up and the rose the big blood clot dumpling them. Hear them look at them and them weed, you know. And the blood clot lizards them man here one of the boy them. Boxing way enough time to go at the dumpling. But it's up to the water. Yeah, the boy boxing way man. And show the food right now. The boy they box with the blood clot. I say me no bother one on that talk because a lizard dumpling that. Boy them eat hey. You know say something.
And then time the down we not chat to one another and if a man a beat you, we want kill him.
Yes, true. Them time the girl not chat them one another. They no so come barrow clothes coming, you know, cause girl a barrow girls clothes them time there. You understand that's so it's coming, you know.
Yeah.
Because me have food and you and me we are going, me have to tie it up in my shorts, man.
Tie leave. No, me remember tie leave. Tie leave. How much leave name tie leave, Dan?
No, me say tie you up in my clothes, come on, if you look good.
No, somebody say if you remember tie leave. No, somebody type it out if you remember tie leave. I don't know what that is.
What is tie leave? Maybe them not spell it right, come in and know tie leave.
I don't know it either.
Oh, there's something when you have blue drawers that it shut off when I could Camille.
Oh, blue drawers.
I can't make it my love and if I see it right now, me that buy it.
I know if you make that, I want to never eat it, I never like it tight slimy. I don't like the slime upon it.
I say, lady, Ann, my father used to buy me pair jeans pants, you know. Because I threw me a big back, my father never make me have short clothes, love. I'm saying, the one when him Samba, she will live up a Bronx. Come stay up a fair mother for a while. And she said, Don, why you don't wear short clothes? Them time me about, say, 15 and 16, you know. I'm saying, I go over the yard, go cut my shorts, you know, the shorts cut wrong, no blood clot, the shorts cut in if the people find the shorts and the people I'm going to show, you know. I say, thinking that the Bronx and Samba, they must be about that one, because somebody must tell on them. And the night, I said, you do not go that way, the blood clot shorts, you know, come afraid to go cut one from the pants to go get it. I'm saying, go down my school of drug in the blood clot night, you know, don't have one man in drunk or bar, man, say, man. This when Tanto Metro and Peter Metro and Big Ben is trying to jump up on the blood clot box and the blood clot charge at the middle. Half speaking at the Bronx and somebody like me and tell and say, but you ride a blood clot contest. And when the people them look on and them look too tight and them see and meet them and take it, them time them mad and look naked. Them say, no man, the have a in a sky do say, come over here, son. I'll know me no move and pink it push me. I said, boy, no slap the man say you. When the man goes up, bomb and give a blood clot $1,000 and a box of blood clot and he start putting at the Bronx. Do we ever Friday next day cut every blood clot shot love or something? Blood clot. Yes, Paco suit.
You broke one out.
Me say I
You
stuck
broke
on
it.
Samba. All is lost. Sometimes the shots cut shot and a blood clot. We just cut out the crutches and just turn it in a shot blood clot. Skirt. You see we get down in Miami. He was dressmaker down a yard, you know, and I tell you, say,
Yeah.
when we are going to end the dance, you know, I say, me I go to Gold Street, go make Wayne, make a clothes for me. When me give Wayne $150, $160, you know, Wayne buy half yard of blood clot, girl. And the time make the top, and the time make the blood clot, bottom. I say, bend over, back way, bend over, blood clot. Oh, the blood clot, hey. A long time they are bad girl now. All of them rapper boy they can't touch me. They have to watch me. I bend over, you know. I see the drawers are show with the red body are short. I do and can't nothing. Yeah, them the next man they go down, mash up the dance last night, you know, blood clot. Hey.
Those were the days, Don.
Where the Roxy's upon Sunday, you go buy a half a chicken with some chicken back. I buy 1 pound of oxtail with some turkey neck. Yeah,
And
yeah,
some Irish. And some
yeah.
Irish.
Yeah, and you can't buy the butterbean either, so you cut up some Irish knife. You go to the lady and sell at the corner and say, send me an Irish. You know how much the Irish? 50 cents. And you buy all 2 Irish for
Yeah.
$1. Hey, uno look young girl who no have no nice time. Uno make the man them think
No
on the
nice time.
childhood days.
Any
Yeah.
boy want look we ask some money,
Yep.
but them not big man,
Yep.
no fucking fool.
Yeah.
The
Them,
body I look after give you money.
and them father and them mother, them are big money, me love. Anyway,
But them beg the
that
boy
you
want
people,
cut them
girls,
money.
nice talking to you, all of you, and all of who never catch live, miss live, because they are delete right now, because recently done this IG thing. You understand? Have a beautiful day. You want to say delete the live or keep it?
Keep it live. We are deleted fast. Save it. So if our evidence, so we never talk not bad about nobody.
All right. Upper GI can be strong. And you, girl, for the boyfriend or the husband, sometimes things happen, you know. And sometimes we just kiss with it. It hurts. But we just call it say one of them things. They forgive your husband to and move on. You understand? Cause sometimes I just one of them things. You understand?
I just said name of the game. I saw the game go. I just saw it go. I just one of them
Yeah.
thing there.
That's why the man it
I just
come
one
and
of them
that's
thing
why
there.
the other man yes we sing. We no lose. I will sing
Right.
Canadian. This
How
is
do you sing
the
it? We don't have a game to play, right or wrong. I play it my way.
and
And
if
if
I
I make
make
mistake,
mistake,
it's
it's
my
my
own
own
heart
heart
I
I
break.
break.
Big
Yeah.
tune.
It's a
Yeah.
2 song opera. So if you make a mistake, at your own heart you break. You understand? Mad love, respect, and honor to everybody will come
Same
on
so.
this evening, yeah.
Same so.
And
Big up
listen to a
everybody
little
for the life, you
story.
know.
You understand? Yeah, big up yourself, Roxine, Miss Paulette Chamber, Real Jenna, Eye Candy, and the whole 9 yards. We never track nobody big storm. You
No, we
understand?
not
We
chat
just
about
talk
just
the
go
good
back in
things
our
them
days.
in our little
So them
childhood
little
days.
girl are
Tissy, big up
them little girl
yourself.
are
Yeah, me I go
fortunate
see
more
you.
than we when we were young. And that's why I said them little girl are fortunate more than we when we did young.
Rin Fred, big up yourself too. You understand? Diary, you know me love you. Yeah, my girl straight. You
Just
understand? And
big up
just
everybody for the
one of the
life.
big up
Everybody
everybody,
big up,
Gucci girl,
big up.
everybody straight, straight love. As me say, you understand? Me no know upper. Me and I can go a far away. You understand? And I care what people are gonna say about them. I'm not with it. You understand? I'm not. And the other girl for the other husband, you big up yourself too. You understand?
Big up, yeah,
Win
big
or
up same
lose.
such. I just the
It's a
baby have
game
the
we
name of the
play.
game. I saw it
Right
go.
or
And
wrong, sometimes we did it our way. You understand? Mad
yeah,
love. You
and I just that
understand?
happen. Yeah,
And I get
same
that.
so.
See you now next time again with our next topic. Understand? Mad. Yeah,
Yeah,
lady, I
big
look
up
up more.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.